In this tutorial, we'll explore some hidden and lesser-known features in Microsoft Word that can boost your productivity and enhance your documents. Use Focus Mode for distraction-free writing. Go to the View tab and select Focus. This feature hides the ribbon and other distractions, allowing you to concentrate on your writing in a full-screen mode. Quickly select text using Alt+Drag. Hold the Alt key while dragging your mouse to select a block of text that doesn't follow the usual line-by-line selection. This is useful for selecting columns of text or numbers. Use Read Aloud for proofreading. In the Review tab, click on Read Aloud to have Microsoft Word read your document back to you. This helps catch errors and awkward phrasing during proofreading. Convert text to table and vice versa. If you have data separated by tabs, go to the Insert tab, click Table, then select Convert Text to Table. You can also convert a table back into text by selecting the table, clicking Table Tools, and choosing Convert to Text. Translate text without leaving Word. Highlight the text you want to translate, go to the Review tab, and click Translate. Choose your language and Word will translate it automatically within the document. Clipboard History, Windows only. Press Ctrl+C twice to open Word's clipboard, where you can view a history of items you've copied. This allows you to paste multiple items without switching between apps. Insert placeholder text with Lorem Ipsum. Need some filler text? Type =Lorem, and press Enter to insert placeholder text into your document. You can also specify the number of paragraphs and sentences like this, =Lorem, 3, 5. Remove background from images. After inserting an image, click on the image and go to the Picture Format tab. Select Remove Background, and Word will let you manually adjust the area of the image you want to keep or remove. Customize the ribbon. Right-click on the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. Here, you can add your favorite commands and tools to make Word work exactly the way you want. Save to PDF directly from Word. Go to File, Save As, and select PDF as the file format. This allows you to quickly export your Word document as a PDF without needing additional software. These hidden features in Microsoft Word can save you time and make document creation more efficient. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.